Dear student, today I am going to start lesson 4, class 5 science. It is food and deficiency disease. In this chapter, you will read about the different nutrients present in our food, balanced diet, and then different types of disease, communicable disease, non-communicable disease, deficiency disease, and how we can prevent them. Then I am going to start from food. Food, why we need food? What is the function of food? Food provides us energy to do work. Food help in the growth of our body. It also protect our body from different types of disease and infection. It also help in the healing of our damaged tissue. The nutrients present in our food. What are these? 5 nutrients present in our food: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Besides that, roughage and water. These also need for our body. Listen, one by one I am going to explain their work and sources. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate we get from the cereals like wheat, rice, maize, potato. These are the main source of carbohydrate. It provides us energy. Protein. We get protein from the milk, fish, meat, pulses. These are the source of protein. Proteins are bodybuilding food. It help in the growth of our body. It also help in the repairing of damaged tissue. Fat. Fat also provide us energy. Our body need very small amount of fat because it give us more amount of energy than carbohydrate. Small amount of fat give us more amount of energy than carbohydrate. Now we come to the vitamins. Our body need vitamins. We get vitamins from the green leafy vegetable, fresh fruit. These are the main source of vitamins, and vitamins protect our body from different types of disease and help in the proper functioning of all the organs. Minerals. Our body need very small amount of mineral. It also protect our body from the different types of disease and help in the proper functioning of all the organs. We get minerals from the green leafy vegetable and fresh fruit. Now water. What are the function of water? Water help in the absorption of vitamins. Some vitamins dissolve in water, and that vitamins our body absorb with the help of water. Roughage are those part of our food which our body do not able to digest. These roughage help in the movement of food in our alimentary canal, in our intestine, inside our stomach. It also help in the absorption of retaining of water. Now we come to the balanced diet. The diet which contain all the nutrients in right proportion, that is called balanced diet. All the person do not need all the nutrients in same amount. According to the age, gender, and work they do, their need of nutrients vary. If small kids or small children need more protein because they are growing children, they need more protein than old person. Female need less amount of food than male, but they need more amount of calcium and iron than male. Those people who perform more physical work, they need more carbohydrate than those people who are doing their job inside the office. Now we come to the disease. Disease, it is the illness of the body. Our body not working properly, it is the disease. And all the disease group into two group: communicable and non-communicable. Communicable disease, those disease which spread from one person to another person, are called communicable disease. For example, diarrhea, cholera, cold, flu, tuberculosis. These are the examples of communicable disease. And non-communicable disease, those disease which do not spread from one person to another person, like blood pressure, diabetes. These are the examples of non-communicable disease. Now we come to the communicable disease, how we can prevent it, how it spread. Now we come to the factors by through which communicable disease spread. Through air. Some disease like tuberculosis, cough, flu, they spread through the air. Some disease like typhoid, cholera, these are spread through the water. They are waterborne disease. Some disease spread through the direct contact, and some disease spread through the insect pathogen. How we can prevent this communicable disease to spread? We maintain hygiene. We should wear clean clothes. We should take everyday bath, and we wash our hand frequently. We should keep our surrounding clean. We by the immunization, by taking vaccines, by using insecticide, pesticide in our surrounding. We do not let water stagnant in our surrounding. We use cover dustbin. We should use our different. We should clean our surrounding. These are the way by which we can prevent the communicable disease to spread. Now we come to the non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease, those disease which do not spread from one people to another people. These happen due to the lack of vitamins or minerals or nutrients, and these happen due to the bad habit like smoking, taking alcohol. Now we can say that these also happen due to the pollution. Now we come to the non-communicable disease like deficiency disease due to the lack of nutrients. Disease happen due to the lack of carbohydrate and protein. We all know that small kids need more amount of protein and carbohydrate. If they do not take in proper amount, they are suffering from the malnutrition. The disease called marasmus, kwashiorkor, they are suffering. The disease due to the lack of vitamins. Now one by one I will explain the disease due to the lack of vitamin A. A person do not take proper amount of vitamin A, then his eyesight may be damaged. He is suffering from the poor vision. He is suffering from the night blindness. We all know that yellow vegetable like carrot, tomato, these are the source of vitamin A. Now vitamin B, if a person not take proper amount of vitamin B, then he is suffering from the beriberi. In the beriberi or nervous system, it will be damaged. So we should take proper amount of vitamin B. And we all know that vitamin B we get from the milk, fish and meat. These are the source of vitamin B. Vitamin C, lack of vitamin C, a person suffer from the scurvy. In the scurvy, bleeding gum, scaly skin happen, and we get vitamin C from the citrus fruit like orange, apple, grapes, amla. These are the main source of vitamin C. Vitamin D, we are getting vitamin D from the milk, and it is one more source from the sun rays. We also get vitamin D, and due to the lack of vitamin D, a person suffer from the weak bone, and children suffer from the rickets. The disease rickets. Minerals, due to the lack of minerals, we also suffer from some disease. Minerals like iron, if a person have some do not have proper amount of iron, then the person suffer from anemia, lack of iron. And when a person do not take proper amount of iodine in their food, that time he or she suffer from the goiter, swollen neck. These are the deficiency disease, and we can easily prevent this disease by taking balanced diet. That's all in our lesson 4.